Hey guys, this is Rosa Kelly. Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to give you a look at a new mini album kit that I'm adding to the website. This is the Winter Valley collection by Stamperia, and it is just so precious. I love the little animals, but also I want to let you know that I added additional kits of the Christmas wishes. I think it's the name of the collection. You'll find it on the website. I was requested and asked if I have additional kits, so we went ahead and added a few more to the website. So you'll find it there. I'll have it linked below. But yeah, so for this new collection, I'm gonna be working on this coming up, so you'll see a project walkthrough coming soon here. But on this kit you get all these beautiful flowers. Then we have some seam binding. We have some of these like jute twine that's on the color green. I think it's so pretty. Some dies here, which is this Christmas tree, and this is kind of like the snow that you can put and layer on top of your Christmas tree here. I think it's gonna be really fun to do some elements with that. Then we have some different chipboard pieces that says hello winter, let it snow, and some snowflakes, and the main part of the kit, of course, the beautiful collection. So I'm gonna start by opening the die cuts. So excited, this one's so pretty. I'm really into the blue Christmas this year. Okay, so let's go ahead and just put everything here. And so we have some Merry Christmas chipboard pieces. We have some little little like sled and a chair. It kind of looks like a little fence. The animals that are just so cute. Look at this little guy. And then this one here. Love these little pieces. Here's another one looking that way. More of the little deer. Look how pretty. Oh, there we go. So a few of those. This one here sleeping, so cute. Then we have some squirrels. Another one of these. I love the sleepy ones. They're so cute. Owls, little rabbits. I mean, you can get a little peek of what the collection will be like. Then we have some like elements here from the city, the light posts, the mailbox. Then we have some ornaments here. Let me get all these little ornaments because these are so cute. Look at all of those here. So we have some ornaments. Then we have little houses to make a cute little villa, right? So cute. And then we have this kind of like a reef, and then we can probably even use that one as well. More cute little owls. Look at this sleepy owl. This one's flying with a little note. And then some little sentiments. The Christmas tree is so pretty. Some presents. So I kind of want to do a little 3D village type of thing with all these little animals. I think it will be really cute. Look at the rabbit sleeping. I love the sleepy animals. And then we have some flowers, some little birds, so cute. The sleepy squirrel, and then the moon, more little owls, flowers, and yeah, the little envelopes. So all of those cute little things. Love it. And now let's take a look at the collection. So here, so with this paper collection you get 10 double-sided sheets, and yeah, let's take a look. Even the cover we can use to cut some of these elements. Look at these. Okay, so on the back we have some different flowers. We can use it as a background or cut all of those as little ephemera. Then we have here, look at this cute little scene, the fox and the rabbit, so cute. The houses, the sky, and then they're double-sided, of course. And then over here we have the cute little deer, the rabbit, the Christmas tree. I just love the polar elements, the snowy look to this. And then this is the back. And then over here, this one says joy, and again the beautiful house and the elements. beautiful, so cute. Little fence. Then over here it says family, and we have all the little animals from the woodlands, right? They're so cute. And that's the back of that. And then over here is the back. Again, more of the snowy scene. Ooh, I really like the nighttime. Look at the trees, the snowflakes, the moon, and then the little fox over here. Or is this a wolf or fox? It's a fox, I'm sorry. And then we have the owls, the presents, and the night sky is so pretty. Here's the sleepy animals. Oh, this is so cute. I think this collection will be adorable for a baby's first Christmas. I mean, of course, any age, but because of the sleepy animals, they're just so cute. I love these. Love the moon. Here's the back. Then we have Christmas spirit. I mean, all of these little ornaments, they're so cute. And then they're double-sided here, so you can use either side or both sides. Over here it says let it snow. Some different cut aparts. I love these ones here. They can also be bookmarks if you like. Believe in Christmas, Noel, love, joy. They're so cute. And then you can use these as little journaling. The back is plain. And then we have some 6x6 elements here. Winter joy, Christmas spirits. Look how pretty. And then on the back you can add a picture, or again some journaling. And then we have all of these little tags that we can cut and use, little sentiments. And again, they're double-sided, so you can put something on the back, or maybe you can use them as little gift tags also, right? And then a page of extra ephemera that we can cut apart and use in our book. So I am super excited to work with this collection. Next, I'm gonna be making a book using, of course, all of these elements on the kit. So the kit's price includes the video class, and it also includes the shipping in the US as well. And so yeah, so I hope you guys like the collection. Again, I'm gonna have a link down below. It will be on my website, and I can't wait to start playing with this and share with you guys a new project. So I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.